Let's learn AI without actually the nerd stuff. This is part one, and today we are going to see what AI actually is. Before we begin, I took an oath of teaching 1 million people AI by the end of 2026. It's already July, and I'm nowhere near that number. So stay with me for the next 6 months as I simplify and break down all these complex AI concepts so that you become an AI pro at the end of 6 months. Today, what is AI? If you're already using ChatGPT, Netflix, Google Maps, Amazon, Google Photos, then you're already using AI and you are far along this dot that you see right here. I'll explain what this graph is in another video, but today, to understand AI, think about a student who is exposed to thousands of cooking videos. Obviously, at the end of watching all of these thousands of videos, they would not become a pro chef who can cook in Michelin star restaurants, obviously. But if you ask them to make a sandwich, they would know what to put together. Maybe, two slices of bread, a slice of cheese, maybe, or some meat, some vegetables. All of these things, they knew that this is what goes in a sandwich because they watched all of these thousands of videos. And since they are human students, they would have watched their parents or somebody else make sandwich as well. So they knew and observed these patterns and gave you a sandwich. The taste of the sandwich is questionable. We're not going to get there. But the thing is, similar to this specific student who learned different patterns from all of these thousands of videos that they watched, AI works the same way. It observed the patterns of all of the data that's available on the internet and everywhere. So that's how ChatGPT learned its information and predicts the next pattern. That's it. It learned the pattern and it predicts the next thing that's going to happen. So the next time you prompt ChatGPT, think of this. How does it answer to your question? Now, you are a human who understands and emotes and empathizes with different things. Not necessarily an AI would be able to do the same thing. This is where AI safety comes in, and you need to be careful and not trust everything AI tells you to trust. That's a wrap on what is artificial intelligence. I'll see you tomorrow with another concept. If you are breaking your head over any of the AI concepts, put it in the comments and I'll cover it in my next videos. Let's do it.